Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tezos coin. After a long term, the price line of Tezos has broken out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you what can be our next target. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. First of all, let me just start with this pattern that I shared with you in the month of July, and this was a chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and I told them that the price line of Tezos has completed a very big, huge harmonic bullish reversal shark move on the weekly time frame chart, and this buying zone was quite wide. Therefore, I told my members then we can use this $1.80 level as our stop loss, because here we also had our key support as well. You can see for the long term, this $1.80 has been working as a strong support and resistance. Like here it worked as a resistance, here as a support, and here as a support for several weeks. Remember, this is the weekly time frame chart, and this was the video that I shared with you almost 3 months ago, and I told you that the price line can turn very strong bullish. And in those days, in the month of July, it was really very difficult to talk about bullish. Whenever I shared any chart, even for the long term on the weekly time frame, the people started sharing their comments that why are you sharing bullish patterns in such a bearish days. However, if you look back at all those charts that I shared in those days, all the charts executed successfully, and they started a very big bullish rally from the potential reversal zone. Right now we can see that the price line was entered here, and I was expecting that we can have another chance to catch it from the buying zone, because at that time it was moving at $2.49, and you can see that the price line again moved down in the buying zone. I've just played the chart, and you can see here the price action again entered in the buying zone, moved down to $2.09 and rallied up to $8.03. That is more than 250% rally so far. But I'm expecting that after this breakout on the 4-hourly time frame, this rally will be continued. Here you can see that the price line has formed this symmetrical triangle, and at the same time we have another resistance. Like we have a rejection here, and we also had a rejection here and here as well. I'm just connecting all these candlesticks. Then you can see right now the price line is struggling to break out this another resistance that is coming all the way from here. If I switch to the hourly time frame chart, then it can be clearly seen that we had a small rejection on the hourly time frame, and after a small rejection, now the price line is again trying to break out this resistance level. It's taking some time. Yes, here you can see that we had a small rejection, and now we are having accumulation below this resistance line. Once this resistance line will be broken out, then it will turn more bullish. Now let's take a look at the targets for this symmetrical triangle. You can see that the price line was entered here, and this was the first touch at this resistance. And if I place this resistance line here at this breakout point, then our next imminent target in the immediate short term will be $10.96. So this can be our immediate target, and I'm expecting that soon it will also break out this resistance as well. So if you did not buy XTZ, for example, on my previous call, or even you're not able to buy it after this breakout, then you can wait for this next breakout, and once the price line will break out this resistance, then you can place your buying orders and you can set your sell targets here for the immediate short term at $10.90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.